Lovely jubbly.
People are literally just doing their shopping 20 metres away.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas and welcome to the Christmas special. Boy, have I got some interesting things for you guys tonight. First on the agenda is we're going to head into Shrewsbury town and go and see the Christmas lights get switched on. And then later on in the video, I'm going to attempt to cook a Christmas dinner in the back of my car. I know, it sounds mental, it sounds crazy. It's most probably going to be an epic fail. I want to get some pigs in blankets, I want to get some turkey breasts or maybe some chicken breasts possibly, try and do some kind of adaptation on roast potatoes, some stuffing, some cranberry sauce, sprouts, carrots. We're going all out tonight to try and do a Christmas dinner in the back of my Renault Grand Scenic. And here we are. Shrewsbury Square. This is where the magic's going to happen. Say hello, guys. I heard them say he's vlogging. Go on, give us a thumbs up. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Here we go. Right, so I've just pulled up into Morrison's car park at the far edge, on the corner, next to some bushes. Got some dodgy ones over there, potentially a couple of shaggers possibly.
This is where we're going to be cooking our Crimbo dinner tonight, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to put the curtain up, try and sneak in the back. Hopefully they'll wait for me to come join them and cook up some Christmas dinner. And we are in, tucked up in the back of Morrison's car park, ready to cook our Christmas dinner. I've got my Santa hat on, I'm feeling festive, let's get cooking. The window behind you guys is open, so I've got a lot of fresh air in here. I've got a carbon monoxide alarm, just in case things get a little bit too hairy. Lovely jubbly. So I've got a challenge tonight. I've got to try and cook the elements of this Christmas dinner in some kind of logical order so everything's ready and not sitting for too long on a plate until it gets cold. So I'm going to cook the chicken first. That's the most important part of the dish, to make sure that's cooked. If it's not, then I'm going to be on the trot for the next few days. That's not going to make a very enjoyable Christmas, is it? So the chicken's going to go on first, and I'm going to put the sausage in, get that cooked a little bit. Once the sausage is cooked, I'm then going to take it out, wrap it in the bacon, put that back in, and get all nice crispy bacon on the outside of that sausage. Now, an ingenious idea that I've got for the potato, because I haven't got an oven, and because I haven't got a deep fat fryer to be able to deep fry the potatoes, what I'm planning on doing, and I've got a little chopping board here in front of me, don't know if you guys can see, let me just move that handle out of the way. It's probably going to be extremely annoying for somebody. I'm going to chop the potato, this potato here, quite thinly, and then essentially shallow fry it in the juices of the chicken and the sausage, and hopefully that'll give us some kind of replicant of a roast potato. I've also got some carrot batons, which I'm going to cook in the pot just next to you here, you can't quite see it. And I've also got some sprouts that I've kind of pre-cooked at home, because sprouts are notoriously long to cook, especially in the pan if you don't want them al dente on to break your teeth on them. So I've pre-cooked them slightly at home. I'm going to warm them back up in the water with the carrots. Then I'm going to cook some stuffing. Got some stuffing right here, and I've got a measuring jug to get some water in there. I can't really cook the stuffing as such. I'm going to have to just basically mix it up and then put it on the plate, and hopefully it'll be somewhat edible. Then we've got some cranberry sauce. You cannot have a chicken or turkey dinner without cranberry sauce, and that chicken is spitting everywhere. I've got a little curtain covering the front of the car there. It's white on this side and pure blackout on the other side. People are literally just doing their shopping 20 metres away. I hope I'm far enough away so they can't hear me, or can't at least smell the chicken being cooked. Thinly slice them like that, so I can just dip them in that fat, add a bit more oil if needed, and cook what is essentially like a round chip, if you like. That's going to be wrapped around the sausage once the sausage is cooked. cook them with the carrots. Oh, lovely jubbly. Look at that. The fat is tend to kind of roll to one side, so we'll see if we can get that in there like that. Look at that. Merry Christmas, everybody. Lovely jubbly sprouts and carrots in there. Have a holly jolly Christmas. Don't know how the rest of the song goes. I'm gonna be your hand, all right? Are you feeling lucky? 3, 2, 1. Always very anticlimactic, aren't they? What we got in here? Let's have a look. Ooh, that smell. I've just popped cracker. Is it in there? Something in there? Okay, oh, there we go. The obligatory terrible joke. What did the beaver say to the Christmas tree? Nice growing you. Ah, God. Alrighty then, that veg is about done. Time to swap pans. Put that one there. Pop that one back on there. So the chicken, the sausage, the bacon, and the roast potatoes, I'm just gonna warm them back up again. They're still pretty hot, but I just wanna get them really nice and hot so when I can eat this. I'm gonna start draining the veg now with my little scoopy thing, and I'm gonna put the rest of the veg water into this measuring jug and make some gravy. And a little bit of that water is gonna go in here to make some stuffing as well. There should be enough gravy for me. Let's get some of that veg water into the stuffing. Get a little bit of gravy stirred in there. And to top it all off, we've got some cranberry sauce. Let's go on top. But we've got some bitty gravy. We don't want that. I don't mind having the gravy juice, but I think we'll get rid of the bits. Time to dish up. Ooh. Nice crispy piece of bacon. Lovely jubbly. Gravy's a little bit watery, but we'll live with it. So, the one thing that let me down was the gravy. For some reason, I wasn't able to keep the water hot enough for long enough. But that, ladies and gentlemen, is Christmas dinner in the back of a Renault Grand Scenic. Cranberry sauce, roast potatoes, chicken, sausages and bacon. You've also got some sprouts, you've got some carrots, you've got your stuffing. Absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna go for a bit of chicken first. Not bad at all. Let's go for the sausages and bacon. Bit of sausage, bit of bacon there. Bit of cranberry sauce as well, I think. It'll go down just nicely. Oh. Superb, chef. I tell you what, that is not a bad alternative to a roast potato if you've only got one pan. Nice and crispy. The potatoes cook perfectly inside because I cut it thin enough. Was this a bad idea? I think it could have been. Oh, no, we got it! Hey, we done it! Galaxy hot chocolate instant ones. I think this was from Home Bargains, I think, or B&M, something like that. About 99p for about 10 of them, which I don't think's bad at all. We've got the candle, I've got my hat, I've done a cracker, I've got a hot chocolate, and I've got a Christmas dinner. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Thank you for joining me for this video. Going to be plenty more videos in the new year of me going various different places in the car, possibly some about as well, but I'm really excited to start this new series of car camping with you guys. Have a lovely new year as well, and if I don't see you before then, have a good one. See you in the next video.